topic, let me ask you one simple question. That have you ever wondered why we are using an apple instead of a apple, or why we are using uh, the book instead of India, the India? So for that, it is totally depend on articles. Articles is simply simple words, small words, but in grammar there is important role of articles. Are you ready? Now, before learning articles, we should know the classification of articles. So, articles are mainly classified into two types: indefinite articles and definite articles. In indefinite articles, there is a and in definite articles, the. So, what are indefinite and definite articles? So, indefinite means अनिश्चित or general. When we are talking about some non-specific or general thing, for that we are using a and an. And in definite articles, when we are talking about specific or any particular thing, then we are using the. Did you understand? Now, pronunciation of articles, it is so important for us. We are using a before the consonant sounds, like a boy, a teacher. We are using an before vowel sound, like an apple, an r. Here we are using an because h sounds our, because h is silent in this spelling. That's why we are using an. Then there are two pronunciation of the, which is the and the. We are pronouncing the before consonant sounds and the before vowel sound, like the book, the car, and here the apple, the umbrella. Did everyone got it? Here is the tip which is so important, that focus on the sound, not the spelling. We should focus on the sound, not the spelling or a letter. Let's move to next slide. Here is the words in means for the and the. Here the book. So this is consonant sound, so that's why we are using here the book. Now here we are using the umbrella because this is vowel sound. Here we are using the university. Can you tell me why we are using here the university, not the university?
Sound is consonant.
Yes, that's absolutely correct. Here sound is consonant, that's why we are using the university. Here also same, the orange, here using here the orange because this sound is vowel, and here we are using the one day match. That's why, because one day match, here the sound is consonant, not on day match. It will definitely sound weird. That's why this is the one day match. Here are some examples of words. These are some vowels, and we have the different pronunciation, different sounds in different spellings. Like here, a. We are using apple. In apple, we are using a as a. In cake, a. In father, a. In about, a. Or in authentic, we are using o. Here also same, e. In pain, we are using e as a. In he, we are using e as e. In Europe, we are using e as u. In the, we are using e as a. Are you getting it, all of you? Now here in ink, we are using I as E. In ice, we are using I as I. But the letter is same, but the pronunciation is different in different type of words. Now here are also the pronunciation of O and U. For hot, we are using O, and for goo, we are using O. For hot, we can't use hot. So that's why this is the point, that in different spellings we are using different pronunciation of same letter. Here also U, like umbrella we are using pronunciation a. In put we are using u. In university we are using u, and in busy we are using e. So I hope you are understanding. Now finally, when to use a. Use a before words beginning with consonant sounds. Like example, a book, a pen, a girl, a teacher, a uniform. We have used a uniform because it sounds consonants. So can you give me the examples of using a? Anybody? Yes, it is absolutely. Yes. So I think you got it. Now when to use an. Use an before words beginning with vowel sound. So from childhood we are learning vowels. So you all know about vowels. That is A, E, I, O, U. Here are examples like an apple, an egg, an idea, an honest, and an hour. Here we are not going on spelling because here is H, so we should use it is wrong. It is totally wrong because here H is silent. That's why we are pronouncing it as honest. And here also H is silent. That's why we are pronouncing it as R. So that's why we are using here an. Like in a horse, a house, it is correct because we are not telling it horse or house. We are telling it horse and house. The sound is consonant. That's why we are using here a. Quick trick to remember. This will definitely help you for to understand articles. Look at the sound, not the spelling. As I told you, you have to the sound. The sound only matters in articles, not the spelling. If it sounds like a vowel, you have to use an, and if it sounds like a consonant, what you have to use? Yes. Now let's move to another side. Now the. What is the? Use the when we talk about something specific, unique, or already known. Means speaker is also known about that and listener is also known about that. And which is unique. Unique means in world it is only one. For that we are using the. Now here at the using for specific things that please close the door. Where is the remote? I like the movie you suggested. Now here the door, the remote, the movie, it is a specific thing. For that we are using the. So can you give me examples about the?
The or
Yes, sentences.
please close the book.
Yes, absolutely right. Anyone else?
I like the explanation you gave.
Okay, very good. Let's move to another slide. Here is the use of the in unique things, means which is in world it is only one, like sun, moon, earth, sky, internet. We will not say two sun, two moon, or three earths. It is only one. So that's why we are using the here for the unique things. Use the with superlatives. So what is superlative adjective? Superlative adjective means which has highest degree of quality. Means we will the best, the tallest, the most beautiful. If in word the last letter is st, then we are using, then it is superlative adjective. There are two types of adjective: comparative and superlative. So like better, best, younger, youngest. So these st words are superlative adjective. So give me examples of the using superlative adjectives.
The biggest.
Yes, excellent. Again,
The smartest.
yes. So that's why we are using the. Omit articles. In some words, no articles are needed, like names, in languages, subjects, place. Before that, we have to completely omit articles. Like names like Rohit, Sneha. We can't say a Rohit, and Rohit, the Rohit. We don't have to use articles in front of them. So in languages also, in subject, places like school, college, we are not using articles. You are getting, all of you? Understood? Here are common mistakes which we are doing generally, like or. We are using a instead of an hour. Why? Can you give explanation?
Because X is silent.
Yes. And university, we are using a university because U is consonant sound. The India, we are using India because in this we no articles are needed. A MLA, instead of a MLA, we are using an MLA. Can you tell why?
Consonant sound.
Yes, MLA is there. That's why. In this also same, we have to use an LLB, and instead of a MBA, we have to use an MBA. So I hope everyone is getting this point. Like here is given MBBS, we have to say MBBS, not MBBS. Everyone is getting? Yes, so final practice we will do. One by one, can you fill this? I need blank umbrella. So what? Yes. I need an umbrella. Now she is blank honest girl. What will come here? Yes. He saw blank rainbow. Yes. Please pass me blank salt. Yes, you are giving very good answers. I met blank actor yesterday. Yes. So let's take a quick recap on what we had learned today. We had learned articles, which you all know, a and the, and the types of articles, indefinite articles and definite articles. Then we had learned that where to use the, we are using the in the specific unique things like the sun, the moon, the internet, the sky, and also we are using the with superlatives. So I hope you understand this. Thank you for your attention. Any queries? Thank you.